Hello there. Here we are with another pill of Python coding, and today I'm going to show you how you can define variables inside your Python program. So we are here on Google Colab. We have learned how to use Google Colab in the previous pill of coding, and in this pill of coding instead we're going to see how you can create a special container called a variable. So what's a variable? You can imagine a variable, you can see a variable as a container which contains a specific value. And depending on the type of such value, the type of the container, so the type of the variable will be different. So in this second pill of Python coding, I'm going to show you the int data type. So the data type used for integer variables. So for integer value. First of all, we are going to connect to our Google Colab, and then we're going to add a text cell, and we're going to write the int variable. Then we're going to add a code cell, and last but not least, of course, we're going to write our line of code. The first line of code we're going to write will be used to declare, so to create a variable, so this kind of container, which will contain an integer value. So I'm going to call it height, and I'm going to store the value in centimeters of my height. So by just typing these three things, we have just created your first variable in Python. The syntax to define a variable in Python is extremely easy. And it starts with the name of the variable, then you add this equal sign, and then you write down the value of the variable. So name of the variable, so this variable is called height, then the equal sign, which stands for an assignment, so which basically tells Python to store the value we write on the right in the variable we have listed on the left. And then, of course, we are going to store it, the value 181. Note that this value is an integer value. So there is no point here, so no decimal separator. I'm going to discuss about decimal values and the float data type in the following Python pill, but for now, let's we conclude this video by knowing how you can print out on screen the value of a variable you have created. Well, we kind of already have seen how you can print out something in the previous Python pills, and that is by using the print function. So again, if we write print and then height, we are going to print out on screen the value of the variable height. And that's it. We are seeing right now the value stored inside the variable height. So by writing print and then between the brackets writing the name of the variable whose value we want to print, we're going to effectively see the value stored inside that variable. We are, of course, yet on the very top of the iceberg, but we have already seen the potential, the tremendous potential of this wonderful programming language. If you want to learn more in depth the Python programming language, I have prepared a course for everyone, so a professional course for even those who start from scratch, and you can find the link down below. And to the next pill of coding.